I'm stuck where Dale left me.
Um,
Right, let me just
Just press F7.
go to service. Boom.
I tipped the truck.
Mm.
Dale,
I'm not your
don't you dare cause terrorism again, man. Cause I just want to play the game.
Uh, uh,
I just kind of want to race.
I'll race your mum, mate.
Rude. Yo, man. There's no need.
To be fair, your mum lives living the life. She gets a BBC, bro.
Let's hit the road. Wait, this. Tom goes in front though.
Tom leads.
Tom leads. He's going. Oh god. Oh my goodness, Dale.
Bro, it's not my fault. Oh, cut this guy off.
He's smashing into the back of him.
What up? Sorry, I'm just getting my shit together.
Dale.
I'm not
I have no instructions on where to go.
What
Fuck.
do you mean?
There's no like GPS thing.
Press F5.
I have.
What do you mean?
It don't tell me where to go. I mean,
Okay, I guess we just drive about then.
there's a red line. I guess that's where I go.
Yeah, that's the red line. That's where you need to go.
This is tragic.
Look.
Move!
Being cut off. Come on, Flora.
I am.
Are you?
Oh. What the fuck?
Fuck has just
Dale's-
happened?
Hey, where are you trying to race
Tom!
I,
No! Tom!
What? He's on the railings.
Tom, you best be fucking fast.
we grinding.
Drive, Tom, drive.
Whoa.
Full speeds. Ah.
Tom,
Yeah.
where are you?
Unhappy.
On Yeah, I will cook you out the convoy.
Fuck.
Or I'll do much worse.
No. Man, it's a Euro truck, it's not that deep.
It's very deep, bro. I don't know. Killing a family of 5 is very, very deep. Oh yeah.
Which truck's that? The fuck? Yeah, mate, you remember things going to
What?
These.
It's a truck. You have to anticipate when you brake, man. It's not gonna stop it and you're not.
Oh, Bill.
What the fuck?
You are, mate.
Bro.
Let's go into
Tom! Tom!
Bill.
Did Dale tip him again?
Yeah.
Yeah, the Dale went fucking flying.
Nah, fuck it up. No, fuck this. I'm going back on aim lab.
No!
Oh my god,
no,
Dale, you fucking
no,
bad!
no, that was not my fault. I was going around Tom and then he cut me off.
And you were not going round Tom, bro.
Just don't get in a collision with Tom.
I'm out of fuel. How do I fix it?
You're why are you blocking the road? Right, we'll fucking use our fucking tactical skills. Oh fuck. Alright, we're fine.
Never mind, I wasn't off fuel, my parking brake.
Bro!
Fuck me.
You what?
Just
Guy-
reverse into me.
Never give this guy a license.
Yeah, but
What?
Where the fuck did Liam come from? What?
Oh no!
Fucking hell, man.
Tom, try and stay to your lane, Tom. Okay.
where'd you come from? The broke store?
Hey, Tom.
Who's
Oh,
this?
I care.
Yeah.
I can go into neutral or reverse or forward.
Tom, slow down for the corner. Yes, there we go.
Fuck. Okay, that might be good shit.
Dale, where are you? Where'd you go, bro?
95 miles an hour. Oh!
These trucks are
What
so
did you
loud.
do? What crimes against humanity did you commit? I think I know what.
I 95 miles an hour. That's what this did.
Oh.
Alright, see ya.
I'll
Fuck
catch
off,
up.
police car. Can I hit you with my cargo? Nah. Damn.
Bro, I'm actually inducing a flight.
This is scary, bro. This is like horror game, because if I fail, I have to go all the way back.
I cannot do shit.
Ah!
Fuck off.
Nope.
Careful! Fucking brake, bro.
I'm cruising! I'm cruising, my feet are off the accelerator. Jeez! It's alright. That's fine.
I am over the wall. I am in the grass.
I think we can just speed to this car now.
Hey, Tom needs to buy
Ah!
a truck. Oh, you can buy it. You can get a loan.
Oh my god, I actually thought I was getting backshot there.
What?
Bro, these trucks are so shit in the rain. I'll just flip that
Yeah,
again.
car seems to be pretty shit in the rain.
I'm fucking cruising, bro. I don't know what you mean. This seems like a suitable time to drink. I should probably brake here. Yeah, I should definitely brake. I am slamming the brakes down. Holy shit. Okay, no, not in neutral though. Steer like a normal person. Steer normally. Thank
What's
you.
up?
How are you there already?
I just saw him, you know. That guy.
Where'd you come from? No, you cannot go over the barrier. There's a barrier there for a reason.
Oh, I'm stuck in the grass.
I don't abide by traffic laws. I'm 10 minutes away from a fucking destination. If Dale, I swear to God, if you mess this up, and I get flipped over because of you, you're a dead man.
Oh,
I think you can escape me. I will outmaneuver you, bro. Come here. Shit.
Deal with your truck.
Hi, Tom.
No, I fucking crashed into a bus.
Hey, hi, Tom.
Hi, Squidward. Why are you trying to fucking get in there, bro?
Trying to get round, but you turned on the bus. I couldn't fucking do anything.
why is this car in the way?
The truck was